Hello. I wanted to send data from my computer using a real computer serial port to the Arduino. If you have played a bit with the Arduino, you have seen that you can actually send and receive data through a virtual serial port, which is actually the USB cable. But what I wanted to do is use the good old legacy serial port to send some data to the Arduino. And as you may know, on the Arduino there are actually two pins, RX and TX, which are designed just for that, to transmit and receive serial data. But there is some special difficulty, which is that actually a computer serial port does not send data with the voltages that are expected by the TX and RX pins. So on the RX pin, actually, the Arduino expects 0 volt to be a 0 and 5 volts to be a 1, which is very intuitive. But the computer serial port have a quite strange convention in which a 1 is actually minus 12 volts and a 0 is plus 12 volts. So it's varying between positive and negative like that. So what you need if you want to connect your computer legacy serial port to your Arduino on the RX pin is an adapter circuit. So you can actually buy these online, but I wanted for the challenge to build it myself, but I did it only in the direction to send data from the computer to the Arduino. So I built this small adapter circuit which takes the TX and ground lines of the serial port and translates the voltages to the ones expected by the Arduino, using only, as you can see, resistors and transistors. I didn't implement the reverse way, which is from the Arduino to the computer, we have just this direction. Actually, I don't have a real serial port at the back of my computer, but I have a serial connector on my motherboard, so I just connected these wires directly to my motherboard, but you can, of course, connect them to the real pins on your real serial port if your computer has one. So on the Arduino there is a very simple program which I have created here. Basically it's very simple, it displays on the LCD screen whatever it receives on the serial port. So now we are going to send some data from the computer to the Arduino. It's going to expect data at this speed, 9600 bits per second. So first what we need to do is to tell Windows that the serial port is going to communicate at that speed using this command right here. And we need to tell it that it's 8-bit data because by default this is 7-bit data, which is probably a legacy backward compatible value. It's data equals 8 for 8 bits. And now we can actually send some data. So I can run copy con, which means console to com1. And now whatever I type is going to be sent to the Arduino, which is going to display it on the LCD screen. So here I can send hello, and as you can see on the LCD screen, it's being displayed. And I send some extra text. And you can see it works and it receives on the Arduino the data. A last thing that I can do is that I can try to transmit an entire file. You can just do like this. Just copy the file to com1, just as if com1 was the name of the output file, and it's going to transmit the data like this. And these are actually the last few characters of the lorem ipsum.